Today I'm going to show you how to build a Namecheap website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If you want to get a simple site online fast without getting overwhelmed by code, this walkthrough will help you go from login to a live published website in just a few minutes. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your hosting area and go to Hosting List. Here you'll see your hosting plan or plans listed out. Next to the hosting plan you want to use, click Manage. This takes you into the settings for that hosting package. From there, open cPanel. Panel is where you'll find the tools you need to manage your website and launch your builder. If your goal is to create a simple website without coding, look for the Website Builder option. This is the easiest way to get started because it gives you an AI-assisted setup and a visual editor. Now select the domain you want to build the website on. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're editing the right site from the beginning. After selecting the domain, you'll be prompted to give the AI builder a description of the website you want it to create. Think of this as your website prompt. Be specific. For example, tell it what kind of business or project the site is for, what pages you want, and what style you want the design to have. Once you submit the prompt, wait for the AI builder to generate the first version of your website. This usually gives you a starting point with text, layout, and design ideas already in place. After the initial build is ready, you can begin customizing it to match your brand. Start by adjusting the colors, fonts, and page layout. These design elements make a huge difference in how professional your website looks. Choose colors that fit your brand, select fonts that are easy to read, and arrange the layout so visitors can quickly understand what your site is about. Next, customize the main pages. The most common pages are Home, About, Services, and Contact. On the home page, make sure your message is clear right away. On the About page, explain who you are or what your business does. On the Services page, list what you offer. And on the Contact page, make it easy for visitors to reach you. Before publishing, always preview the website on both desktop and mobile. This is really important because your site may look perfect on a computer, but need adjustments on a phone. Check spacing, text size, buttons, images, and menu layout so everything looks clean and usable on every device. Once everything looks good, click Publish. This makes your website live for visitors to see. But before you consider the job done, there's one more thing you need to confirm. Make sure your domain is connected to your hosting account and pointing to the correct Namecheap name servers. If the domain isn't connected properly, your website may not load correctly, even if it's published. After that, open your domain in a browser and check that the website loads correctly. Refresh the page, test the links, and make sure the homepage appears exactly the way you expect. If everything looks right, congratulations, your Namecheap website is now live. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.